Let me tell you a funny story. I am a passionate supporter of Israel, and I have been all my life. I grew up after the war. I was born in 1944, when all the stories of what happened in Germany and Poland came out, and I became a passionate supporter of Israel and the Jewish people. When the Six-Day War came, it was in 1967, and I was in Rome. I was traveling around Europe, interesting story, and they announced the war, and the 95 million populations of Arab countries were attacking the Jewish population, about 2 or 3 million at that time. So I went to the Jewish embassy in Rome and enrolled in the Jewish army, in the Israeli army.
Wow.
And it turns out I was not alone. A lot of people were there, and they were waiting all around Rome to be called up. And they were calling them up and flying them in. And I was there. I would go to the Israeli embassy every day to find out if I was going to be called up. And of course, they won the war so fast that they didn't have to call up most of the people who signed up. So when people ask me about my religion, I say, well, I'm 1/4 religion by birth, because my daughter Christina became Jewish. She converted very early. So I say I'm 1/4 Jewish by birth. I got it from
Wow.
my daughter. So when you talk about...
Thank you on behalf of my Jewish brothers and sisters.
Yeah,
thank you for
so
helping
much.
and trying to help. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
I have been a passionate supporter of Jews and the Jewish cause of Israel all my life. One of the happiest moments of my life was when we moved the embassy to Jerusalem.
Wow.
That
was something.
was something. I don't know how you felt, but I was so happy.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Yeah.